Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Xbox controllers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Xbox Core Wireless Controller in Carbon Black, Renewed Premium Edition. This option is ideal for buyers who are looking for a budget-friendly way to experience the modernized Xbox controller design. Renewed products are refurbished and tested for functionality, so you're essentially getting a nearly new controller at a discounted price. The sculpted surfaces and refined geometry offer excellent comfort and control during gameplay. And the hybrid D-pad provides accurate inputs for fast-paced gaming. The textured grip on the triggers, bumpers, and back case ensures that your hands stay secure even during intense gaming sessions. It features up to 40 hours of battery life and supports AA batteries as well as a USB-C port for wired play. However, being a renewed product, it may not have the same pristine feel as a brand new controller, and availability can be inconsistent. This controller is perfect if you're on a tight budget and looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros include affordability, solid performance, and compatibility with multiple platforms like Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and Windows devices. On the downside, it comes with fewer guarantees compared to new products and might have minor cosmetic imperfections. At number 4, we have the GameSir G7 SE, a wired controller designed for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to compromise on features. Priced at just $38.24, this controller offers a lot of bang for your buck. It comes equipped with Hall effect joysticks and triggers, which provide smoother and more precise control, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The customizable back buttons are a standout feature, allowing users to remap controls for improved gameplay. The ergonomic design with laser-engraved texture ensures comfortable grip and non-slit play during long sessions. As a wired controller, it eliminates latency issues, making it especially suitable for FPS and fast-paced games. On the downside, it doesn't offer the freedom of wireless connectivity, which might limit its appeal for casual couch gamers. While it doesn't have the premium feel of high-end controllers, it does deliver excellent performance and tactile feedback for its price. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option with advanced features like customizable buttons, precise triggers, and seamless PC compatibility, the GameSir G7 SE is a fantastic pick. However, keep in mind that its wired-only design may not suit everyone. Taking the third spot on our list is the Xbox Core Wireless Gaming Controller in Electric Volt. With its vibrant design and modernized features, this controller stands out for its affordability and versatility. At $49, it delivers excellent value with features like a hybrid D-pad, textured grip, and compatibility across Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, Windows PC, Android, and iOS devices. The dedicated share button makes capturing and sharing gameplay moments effortless. The sculpted surfaces and refined geometry ensure comfort during long gaming sessions, while its 40-hour battery life means fewer interruptions. The controller is lightweight and well-balanced, making it suitable for casual gamers and competitive players alike. However, it uses AA batteries, which might not be as convenient as a rechargeable option. The Electric Volt colorway is visually striking, but for those who prefer subtler designs, it might not be the best fit. This controller is perfect for gamers looking for a solid, affordable wireless option with great compatibility and customization features via the Xbox Accessories app. Its pros include excellent grip, long-lasting battery life, and wide device support, while its reliance on AA batteries could be seen as a downside. Securing the runner-up position is the Xbox Core Wireless Gaming Controller in Carbon Black, bundled with a USB-C cable. This option combines the freedom of wireless gaming with the reliability of wired play when needed, making it a versatile choice for multi-platform gamers. Priced at $53.96, It offers textured grips, a hybrid D-pad, and up to 40 hours of wireless battery life, making it a favorite among Xbox players. The inclusion of the USB-C cable adds value, allowing players to switch seamlessly between wireless and wired modes without needing to purchase accessories separately. Its minimalist carbon black design is sleek and professional, appealing to gamers who prefer understated aesthetics. However, like other Xbox Core controllers, it uses AA batteries unless connected via USB-C, which might not be ideal for those who prefer built-in rechargeable batteries. This controller is perfect for gamers who want flexibility, whether they're playing wirelessly on their Xbox console or plugged into a PC. Its pros include dual connectivity options, excellent grip, and wide compatibility. On the downside, it doesn't include rechargeable batteries and might feel slightly heavier compared to other models. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Wireless Gaming Controller in blue. This is the ultimate controller for gamers who demand premium performance and limitless customization. Priced at $139.99, it's a significant investment, but one that pays off with features like adjustable tension thumbsticks, wraparound, rubberized grip, and shorter hair trigger locks for faster inputs. What sets this controller apart is its customization options. You can swap thumbstick toppers, D-pads, and paddles to tailor it to your gaming style. The Xbox Accessories app offers even more button mapping options, letting you truly personalize your setup. The 40-hour battery life, combined with the included USB-C cable for wired play, ensures uninterrupted gaming sessions. Its build quality is exceptional, designed to withstand extended use over time. This controller is ideal for competitive gamers or anyone looking to elevate their experience to a professional level. Its pros include unparalleled customization, premium build quality, and long battery life, but the high price tag might deter casual players. If you want the best of the best, the Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Wireless Controller is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.